and welcome to the Math League YouTube channel. The following video was recorded by one of our staff members live at one of our contests.
12204 target 8 is such a hard problem, but today, Chinmay will go show you how to solve that problem.
So one of the diagonals would be the space diagonal, and then we have a face diagonal that doesn't share a vertex with the, so it could be like this, for example. So we're trying to find the minimum distance between these two lines. So it'd be somewhere like this. So notice that it has to be, by symmetry, the shortest distance has to be when this is in the middle. So since if it was somewhere else, it'd be a further distance. So what we can do is we can draw this right triangle here, and then we're trying to find this distance here. So let's draw that here. So we know that this diagonal has a side length of square root of 3, since by the Pythagorean theorem, and then we know that one of the face diagonal has a side length of root 2, and we know that, so we're looking for the shortest distance between the midpoint here and this side, so that'd be here, and we know that this is 1, and so we're trying to find this distance here. So since this is the midpoint, we know that these sides are equal, and since so we know that we can find that these two triangles are similar since they share an angle, and they both are right triangles. The ratio of similarity is 2 to 1. So we're trying to find this leg length. So since we know that the hypotenuse of this triangle is root 2 over 2, and we know the ratio of the leg to the hypotenuse is root 3 to 1, we know that the distance is equal to root 2 divided by 2 root 3, and we're trying to find the square of the smallest distance. So we square this thing and we get, so the square root of 2 squared is 2, divided by 2 root 3 squared is 12, which simplifies to 1/6, and that's our answer.
Hi everybody, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.